Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our channel. This is Mukesh Janwa from Titanium English Classes, Udaipur.
And this is Prateek from Best English Classes, Bikaner.
We are here with the best discussion which you guys can also have as we're going to discuss. And you can get few points, note down, and start discussion. Guys, if you're new to this channel, firstly subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll keep getting the notifications for new lectures, new videos. So let's begin without delay. Prateek
Yes,
sir,
sir.
today's topic, which is better life, village or city? In other words, rural life or urban life. So what are your views?
Sir, I personally believe that village life is much, much better than city life. Uh, the cost of living, just look at the cost of living. It's very high in city, especially in metro city. Most of the goods
Mm-hmm.
are very expensive.
Mm-hmm.
People want to live a good life in city, so they become brand conscious and
Mm-hmm.
they use things of big brands, which is not
Mm-hmm.
cost effective at all. But in
Okay.
village life is totally different. There is no fresh air in city and pure water, but in village life is totally different. In cities, the environment is polluted with dust, smoke, garbage, gases from factories. What do you say?
Yes, when it comes to the pollution and of course environment, I should agree with you. But
Hmm.
everyone everyone is interested for job opportunity. Pratik sir, city life means an advanced and well equipped environment. People migrate to cities because of better job opportunities,
Hmm.
stability, and a decent income, which is a lack in villages, isn't it?
It's true, sir, but forget about the opportunities and facilities. Just look at the people. People who live in the city, they become corrupt. And also, there are a lot of crimes in the city. Many thefts and murders often take place in the city,
Mhm.
and it is
Uh, the
always
corrupt,
busy and noisy.
mhm. But I think corrupt people exist everywhere. We can't say only city. Yeah, in city there is a more number of people live, so that's why there may be more cases of corruption. But the few other things I want to quote:
Hmm.
the city has a huge number of schools, colleges, universities established. So the city folks get proper quality education, which is a primary factor of standard living. What do you say?
Okay, but because there are a lot of schools and colleges, so that means that there are a lot of vehicles and people in the road, which makes the city very noisy. And
Mm-hmm.
the streets, they become dusty and unclean. I think it's hard to lead a healthy life in the city.
But in past 10 years, if you can see, the number of vehicles are increasing in village life as well. So
Yes.
the noise pollution is everywhere nowadays. And next, the point I want to quote, uh, in cities, recreation and entertainment is on a plenty number. Like people also get adequate opportunities to establish and showcase their talents here because there are the various platforms available in cities, but in village there are no platforms available, isn't
I
it?
I love village people, sir. They are so simple and they enjoy that rustic life. And in city, people have become materialistic, and that there is no fun in going to discos and pubs. What the real fun is that you are enjoying the natural air, you are standing in your fields, and you are having a good time over there.
Yes.
And the people of village, they live in unity and peace, and they
Mm.
earn money very hard and earn money enough for live. But in the people of city, they have lot of lust for money.
Yeah, but
There is great competition in city. Village people live in less competition with each other, so they
yeah,
can reach a good position.
agree. But you said that the people of city are materialistic, but most of the people in city living, they have migrated from village. And why they have migrated? Because city life provides commercialization, banking systems, and entrepreneurial businesses. This attracts more people from townships to settle in cities, isn't it?
Sir, we have charm for those things that we don't have. When we are in village, at that time we wish to go to city. When we are in city, we wish to go to metro city. When we are in metro city, we wish to go abroad. But
Mm.
after a few years of experience, this thing definitely comes in your mind that you want to go back. You become nostalgic and you remember those days when you were in village. There were more friends in the community. People all they always try to protect their traditional culture,
Hmm.
isn't it?
Yes, I
No
do agree.
noise,
I will have
no
to
rush.
agree. Now rush is increasing in village life, but my next point, Pratik sir, you will have to agree. In city life, better transportation, sanitation, availability of water, drainage system can be seen in city life, isn't? And the drainage of polluted water goes through a treatment before getting dumped in lakes or rivers. This keeps a small check on pollution too. It means the city life is well managed, but in village, still you will find the mud on the way, right? So what do you say about it?
Sir, in all the cities, you will find an old city and a new city, both parts,
Mm-hmm.
right? Just look at the condition of old part of the cities. There are slum areas over there, and people are living a
Mm-hmm.
pathetic life,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
and
there are.
they don't get any privilege over there. They don't get fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. Nothing is there. And just look at the environment of village. It's so pleasant, so silent. It has its own scenic beauty. And what about city? Full of chemical. You don't know what you are eating. All the adulterated food you are getting over there.
But Pratik sir, the the farmers who grow the vegetables, grains, everything that comes under the raw material, this they get the best price in cities. They don't get the best price in villages. Even the milk comes in city because the farmers know that we can get better price in city,
Hmm.
isn't it?
Look at the children of city. What they are eating. They are eating chocolate. And look at the children of village. They are enjoying with roti and good and pure ghee. That is
Gone are the
much
days.
more nutritious. Sir.
Gone are the days, Pratik sir. You'll find all the kurkuras and everything, all the toffees, chocolates in village also.
Yeah, I
now,
will have to
now
agree.
but last point I want to ask from you
Hmm.
as a question. The people in village, they don't have such high-tech hospitals. So for operations and the severe diseases, they have
Hmm.
to go to the cities, isn't it?
Sir, village people live a healthy life. They run and they work in their farms, so don't have diseases like blood pressure and diabetes. These diseases are of city people, obesity and all. Village people, they are already so healthy. They don't need big hospitals. They don't have heart attacks and all.
See, I
Well,
spent my childhood.
hmm.
I spent my childhood in village life. You spent your childhood in city life. Although I'm favoring city and
Yes,
you're favoring village,
it's a
but
paradox,
you
really.
don't know that in village life there are so many people who smoke. There are so many people who consume tobacco, and they face cancer problems. Right. So there are severe cases and diseases also exist in village life, and they have to go to hospitals, such high-tech hospitals in cities, because this type of hospitals are not available in village life,
Hmm. Well, I will have to
isn't it?
agree. You are right at this point. And if you are specially mentioning bad habits, then bad habits are in city also. Here also,
Yes,
people in villages, people smoke bidis. Here they smoke cigarettes.
they
Right?
smoke.
They in cities also they take drugs and they become drug addicts when they go to metro cities.
Yes, yes.
Well,
So,
overall, I myself like to live in a village in the close
hmm,
vicinity of a modern city so I can enjoy the pleasures of both the city and village.
right. Well, it was a healthy discussion, Pratik sir, with you.
Yes, sir. Indeed, I enjoyed a lot.
And any message you want to give to the students?
Well, students, you know very well, practice makes a man perfect. If you want to speak well, you will have to listen well. Just be with us, listen all the videos very carefully, note them down, and try to speak like this. Okay? So, if you
It
are
was
new to the channel, please subscribe our channel. Yes, sir, you were saying something.
just, I wanted to say to the students that there are some people, they just listen, skip, and jump to the other videos. I request them, please, you should listen and have a such discussion as we're having. Then you will become slowly,
Yes,
slowly perfect in language,
yes.
right?
And watch from
Overall,
start to end, complete discussion.
that's again
And don't
important
forget
point.
to give your feedback in the comment box. What are your views? Are you from city or a village? Just tell us. Tell us about your experience. We would love to get that. So that's all
Sure.
for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank
See
you.
you soon with more debate topics.
Sure. See you.